Okay, she's gonna. Where are we going? Tell them. She's like. One red.
What's the flavor?
So this is orange, beetroot, guava, pineapple, mango, raspberry, melon, and red raspberry. Red raspberry. I don't know, we'll just try hers if 3 is mine. It's kind of like a lolly. Just a little bit of this one, these two. I have to wait for it to melt. Oh, the raspberry is good.
You said $5. Go in.
Honey, I have to wait for it to melt. Okay guys, so we've got shaved ice. It's here in Punangarui, and it's just like the marketplace area. But pull out this way and show them the shop.
The one you want to come to?
Anyways, I'm gonna try it. Rachel. Luna made this for me. Shout out to Luna. I think I'm just gonna go like this. So good.
Sweet.
So good.
So good. That's all. Fans, her sis has got herself a patio from this lovely mama here. Putting it up, getting ready for sis. She was in a bit of a dilemma because she had orange.
Yeah, I like the orange, but
But they both look nice. They all look nice actually,
they all
yeah.
look nice. Thank you, dear.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Kaoro koe ke tere iri ki atu koe me manga ari 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 he pepe patia e. Kaoro koe ke tere iri ki atu koe me manga ari 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 he pepe patia e.
Okay family, so now we have pulled up to the waterfall. I'm gonna find out the name of the waterfall, but we are here and it's it looks pretty cool. Looks cold, but it looks cool.
Guys, how beautiful is the water?
It looks cold, eh?
It is cold.
It is cold? Oh dear.
Okay, I'm gonna go in.
You gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it.
Is it GoPro?
GoPro, okay fam, I'm gonna go in.
Hey.
Wait, let me turn the GoPro on. fun. Let's go. Get down here, we should be fine. Okay. I made it! It's cold. Hey! One! Hey!
What's up, family? Alright, so we're well into the day. Just pulled up the flippers because we're gonna prepare some food for tomorrow. So we're gonna be in early tomorrow morning. If I get everything ready overnight, so come the morning time, we're able to just chuck it down and get it in. Pretty up tomorrow, bro. And some banana leaves. Boss is here making sure everything's all good. Got the potatoes here, got the guava there. Yeah, probably film what I can. Yes, family, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button or even give it a thumbs up and just leave a comment if you want. I gotta follow my papa, he's always in action. Alright fam, so just been cutting off some of the old leaves of the banana trees with pops. I kinda lost them. I can hear them. Oh, how'd you get down there? I can't get down there, man. Anyways, got our very important tool, machete. I got the small one. I feel like this is an essential tool for the islands. It's kind of Mr. Fix-It tool. Look at the weapon in action. Sheesh. Itchy. Woo. Fancy. Here, Papa's got these big ass leaves. Ooh. Go away from here. Papa wasn't lying. These are humongous. Got the banana leaves. Taro. What? How do you say it again? Tarua. Tarua, that's the one underneath. Then you got this big one here. And then, how do you say this in Māori?
Kiko.
Kiko. And then we got the Kiko. This is what they make the Kiko broom out of. Dried in the sun. Alright fam. So might have bitten off a bit more than I could chew, you know. So the situation is, we're gonna make some thai, which is some coconut cream. And Papa was like, oh, don't worry, I've got some cans of coconut cream. We'll just use that. And I'll go to, got heaps of nu here. So I go to him, that's what, I'll just husk some and then I'll grate it down like the salmon way. He says, nah, that's it. Nah, all good. Then I'm walking off like, shucks. Do I even remember how to do this? I think I do. I just need to suss out the kawanga, to strain it. But anyways, sometimes you just gotta have a dig. You're not gonna learn how to swim if you just stay in the shallow. Alright fam, so you see, that's what he has. My technique was a bit off, but Papa came and helped me out. Showed me the proper way to do it. We've already ripped into a few coconuts. My hands are shaking. Wow. Look at that. You don't have a drink, Papa?
No, I drink those 2 drinks.
Alright, fam. Alright, family, so I think I'm just gonna close it off here because I'm starting to just lose track of everything. Got the basket film already, and it's gonna go down tomorrow morning about 4. Gonna start everything, so everything's gonna be prepared by then. And yeah, shout out to all of you, family. Thank you for all your support through all our vlogs and all that, family. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Nina vai vai pui kaya, vai no tau no rotu, na mea vai moero do, ina